Did you know that some of your favorite outfits might be making you look shorter? If you're tired of feeling drowned in fabric or struggling to find clothes that flatter your frame, you're not alone. Stick around because I'm revealing the top 10 style mistakes petite women make and how to fix them in seconds. Hey ladies, if you're petite, you've probably struggled with clothes that don't flatter your frame. I used to wear oversized sweaters all the time, thinking they were cozy and cute until I realized they made me look like a walking blanket. Not exactly the vibe I was going for. Today I'm sharing 10 common style mistakes like ankle straps and untucked tops and simple fixes to help you look taller and more proportional. If you're guilty of any of these, drop me in the comments. Let's dive in. Mistake 10. Dark shoes with light pants. Wearing dark shoes with light pants is like drawing a big line across your legs and saying, "Stop here." Not exactly the look we're going for, right? This happens because the eye stops at the color break, breaking the visual line of your legs. To avoid this, match your shoe color to your pants. For example, pair light-colored pants with nude or beige shoes. This creates a seamless, uninterrupted line that elongates your legs. If you want to add some flair, try metallic shoes like silver or gold. They reflect light and create a subtle lengthening effect, making your legs appear longer without much effort. If you've ever worn dark shoes with light pants, drop a "me" in the comments. Let's see how many of us are guilty of this one. Mistake 9. Cropped pants. Ending at the wrong spot. Cropped pants that end at the widest part of your calf can make your legs look shorter and stumpy. This happens because it draws attention to the widest area, breaking the leg line. Choose pants that hit just above the ankle or opt for full-length trousers. This creates a clean, uninterrupted line that makes your legs appear longer. If you love cropped pants, pair them with shoes in a matching color. This tricks the eye into seeing one continuous line, making your legs look taller instantly. Mistake 8. Wearing oversized jackets or coats without structure. Oversized jackets can make you look like you're playing dress-up in your dad's closet, cute, but not exactly flattering. The extra fabric hides your natural shape and overwhelms your proportions. Choose cropped jackets or tailored coats that hit at your waist or hips. These styles define your waist and create a balanced, elongated silhouette. Try a belted coat. Cinching the waist with a belt adds structure and creates a flattering hourglass shape while making you look taller. Mistake 7. Oversized tops without tucking. Problem: oversized tops that aren't tucked in can overwhelm your petite frame, making you look boxy and shortening your legs. The extra fabric hides your natural waistline, breaking your body's proportions. Always tuck in your tops, whether it's a full tuck or a French tuck, just tucking in the front. This defines your waist and creates a balanced, elongated look. Alternatively, opt for cropped styles that naturally hit at your waistline. If you love oversized tops, add a belt bag or a slim belt to cinch your waist. This adds structure and keeps your outfit from looking too bulky. Who else has been drowning in oversized tops? Drop "me" in the comments if you're ready to start tucking them in. Mistake 6. Wearing overly chunky sweaters without balance. Heavy knits and oversized sweaters add bulk to your frame, making you look wider and shorter. The extra fabric overwhelms your petite proportions. Choose fitted knits or cropped sweaters that skim your body without adding bulk. Pair oversized tops with slim-fitting bottoms like skinny jeans or tailored pants to create balance. Try half-tucking your sweater or layering it with a structured jacket. This adds definition to your waist and creates a more polished, proportional look. Mistake 5. Bulky wide-leg pants. Without structure. Bulky wide-leg pants can make you look like you're swimming in fabric. Great for a pool day, not so much for looking tall and chic. The extra fabric hides your natural shape and breaks your proportions. Choose tailored, high-waisted, wide-leg pants that fit well at the waist and hips. Pair them with heels to create a long, streamlined silhouette. Look for pants with side stripes or vertical seam details. These subtle design elements draw the eye up and down, making your legs appear longer and leaner. Have you ever tried wide leg pants? Let me know in the comments if you're team wide leg or team skinny jeans. Mistake 4, wearing flats with long pants. Pairing long pants with flats can create a dragging effect, making your legs look shorter. The lack of height from the shoes causes the pants to bunch at the ankles, breaking the vertical line of your silhouette. Always pair long pants with heels or pointed toe shoes. Heels lift your frame, while pointed toes elongate your legs, creating a taller and more balanced look. If you're not a fan of high heels, try kitten heels. They're comfortable, stylish, and add just enough height to make a difference without sacrificing comfort. Mistake 3, wide belts at the wrong spot. Wide belts, especially when placed too low or too high, can cut your body in half, making you look shorter. They disrupt your natural proportions and draw attention to the wrong areas. Use thin belts and place them at your natural waistline. This creates a balanced, elongated silhouette by emphasizing the smallest part of your waist. Opt for outfits with built-in waist definition, like wrap dresses or tailored jackets. These eliminate the need for belts altogether while still giving you a flattering, proportional look. Wide belts. Yeah or no? Let me know your thoughts below. Mistake 2. Midi skirts that end, mid-calf. Midi skirts that end at mid-calf can make your legs look shorter and stumpier. This length cuts off your legs at the widest part, breaking the vertical line of your silhouette. Choose skirts that hit above the knee or just below it. These lengths show more of your legs, creating a taller and more balanced look. Try skirts with asymmetrical hemlines. The uneven design adds visual interest while drawing the eye upward, making your legs appear longer and more elegant. Mistake 1. Wearing ankle strap shoes. Ankle strap shoes are like putting a big red stop sign on your legs. No thanks, we're going for the green light to taller looking legs. The strap creates a horizontal line that breaks the vertical flow of your silhouette. Swap ankle straps for nude pumps or pointed toe flats. These styles create a seamless, elongated leg line by blending with your skin tone or extending the visual length of your feet. Try slingback heels. They provide support without cutting off your legs at the ankle, making them a stylish and leg-lengthening alternative. Ankle strap shoes, love them or leave them. Drop a comment and let me know if you're making the switch to slingbacks. And that's it. 10 style mistakes petite women should avoid to look taller and more polished. If you found even one tip helpful, smash that like button, share this with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more petite fashion hacks. Don't forget to check out my previous video, Spring/Summer 2025 Fashion Trends, 15 secret styles that will make you stand out, for more trendy ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.